Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this online session. Friends, today we are going to discuss with 10th Standard Mathematics Part 1st, Financial Planning Part 2. Friends, in the previous session of Financial Planning Part 1st, we have been discussed with the following important subtopics, that is introduction to the GST, then advantages of GST, what are the components of the GST, tax invoice. Today we will discuss with tax invoice and few problems based on them. So friends, now we'll continue with this tax invoice. We'll take an example. Here is a sample example of this tax invoice of goods and purchase. You will get an idea regarding computation of CGST and SGST from this example. So this is the what bill, the tax invoice for the goods purchase. It is a sample only. How it looks. To the right corner they have wrote the name of the supplier, A to Z Sweet Mart, the address 143 Shivaji Rasta, Mumbai, the pin code 400001 Maharashtra, and mobile number also wrote 926369211. Email they have given a to z@gmail.com. Below that there is a invoice number that we have to write, to whom we are giving to the bill. That bill number they have to mention over, that is GST number, GST/110. Then GSTIN is to the right corner top, that is 27 ABCDE 1234H1Z5. This is the ISTIN 15 alphanumeric code. Below that there is a invoice date, on which date that has been prepared. So there are different columns are there. First is serial number, then HSN code, name of the product, rate is there, quantity, taxable amount, then CGST. Two columns, sub columns are there, the rate of and the tax, then SGST, the rate and tax, and the total amount of the particular product. Let us consider one example. First one, the product is name is Payday and the HSN code is 210690. The rate is rupees 400 per kg and quantity is 500 gram, that is half kg. So as 400 is per kg, taxable amount will become now 200 because half kg is purchased. Therefore CGST will be 2.5%, which is rupees 5. 2.5 of 200 is 5 rupees, and SGST will be 2.5%, again it is also 5 rupees. So the total amount will become the taxable amount 200 plus CGST 5 rupees, SGST 5 rupees, so total 210 rupees. Similarly for the chocolate, whose SSN code is 210691, rupees 80 is cost. The quantity 1 bar you are going to purchase, the taxable amount is 80. 14% tax is there for this. So the tax will become 11 rupees 20 paisa, 14 for SGST, so that also become 11 rupees and 20 paisa. So the total cost will become 80 plus 11.20 plus 11.20, that will be 102.40 paisa. Third, at ice cream purchased, whose SSN code is 2105 and rate is 200 per pack. One pack is purchased of 5 gram. So one pack is of 500 gram quantity. So the taxable amount will become 200 only, because the pack itself is of 500 gram. 9% tax is there, CGST. So it will be 18 rupees. SGST again 9%, that will be rupees 18. So the total cost will become now this 200 plus 18 plus 18, that is 236. The fourth item purchase is bread, whose SSN code is 1905 and rate is rupees 35 one pack. So the taxable amount will become 35, no tax on this, so the 35 as it will be the total, because CGST and SGST will be 0. And the butter, whose HSN code is 210690, that same will now rupees 500 per kg, so 250 will be the quantity, so its rate will become 125. 6% is the rate, so CGST will be 7.50 paisa. The SGST will be also same, 7.50 paisa. So the total cost will become 125 plus 7.50 plus 7.50, that will be 140. Friends, if we add all these, the resultant sum will become 723.40 paisa. This is what how the invoice is to be prepared while purchasing. Now let us take an example during the sale. Here is a sample example of a tax invoice of service provided. So suppose this is the invoice of the service provider, Food Junction, that is Khed Sivapur Pune. Invoice number they have wrote. Below there is a mobile number, email address, GSTIN number, invoice date, and so on. Here SAC they have given food item given quantity, rate, taxable amount, CGST and SGST. Here for 3 products we will consider, that is 9961 SAC number, and food item is coffee, quantity is 1. So rate in rupees 20, taxable amount is 22.5%, high rate will become 2.5%. How much it will come, that will see. It is an activity. So let us directly see the solution of this activity, how the calculation will come up. So the same is replicated over here. Only thing we will calculate that. So the CGST will 2.5% of this 20, that will be rupees 50.50, that is 50 paisa, and SGST will be also same. Now second, 9963, it is a masala tea, quantity is 1 and rate is 10 rupees. So taxable amount will be 10 rupees, and here 2.5% is the tax rate. Therefore the tax amount will become 0.25 rupees or 25 paisa. Same for the SGST. Next, masala dosa, 2 quantities, rate is 60 per quantity. So the total amount will become 120. It is the taxable one. So 2.5% tax, that will be rupees 3 for SGST as well as CGST. So total amount of this will become now 157.50 paisa. Okay, this is what how sample examples of this tax invoice has to be prepared while purchase and service provision. So friends, now we will consider few problems that are based on this. Let us take the first example. Pawan Medical supplies medicines. On some medicines the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? Friends, here the rate of GST is 12% and the rate of CGST is half of GST. So 12% upon 2, that is a 6%. And the same time rate of SGST is also half of GST, which is 12% upon 2, that is a 6%. Let us take the one more example. This could be for 1 mark. They will ask, on certain article, if rate of GST is 9%, rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST and what is the rate of simply GST? Friends, here the rate of, rather than GST, they have given CGST, that is central GST, 9%. The same will be of SGST. The rate of SGST is equal to the rate of CGST, which is 9% only. So GST will be now twice of the CGST, or you can say you add SGST plus CGST, 9% plus 9%, that will be 18%. Let us take problem number 3. Messrs Real Paint sold 2 tins of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is rupees 2800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice. Friends, here the rate of luster paint is rupees 2800 and the quantity is 2. Therefore, the taxable amount will become 2800 into 2, that is 5600. The rate of GST is 28%, they have given. Therefore, the rate of SGST or CGST will be half into GST, that is 28 upon 2, that is 14%. The amount of CGST is equal to rate of SGST into taxable amount. So that is the amount of CGST is equal to 14% of 5600. 14% means 14 upon 100, off means into 5600, which will, after simplification, after solving this, you are getting rupees 784. As you got CGST, you can easily give the SGST. The amount of SGST is also 784 because both quantities are equal. Therefore, the amount of CGST is rupees 784 and the amount of SGST is also 784. We will continue with the next problem, that the taxable value of a wristwatch belt is rupees 586. Rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of the belt for the customer? Friends, if the rate of GST is 18%, GST on the belt is rupees 586, that is 18% of 586, that will be GST on the belt price 586 will be 18 upon 100 into 586, that will give you rupees 105.48. This is the GST. The price of the belt for the customer now will become the taxable amount plus GST. 586 is the taxable amount and GST just calculated rupees 105.48. So the total will come 691.48. The price of the belt for the customer is now rupees 691.48. We'll take the next problem. The total value with GST of a remote controlled toy car is rupees 1770. Rate of GST is 18% on the toy. Find the taxable value, CGST and SGST for that toy car. Friends, here you will get that the taxable value of the toy for the be rupees 100, let us suppose, and the rate of GST is 18%. Therefore, the total value will become 100, that is the considered value, plus 18% tax, that will be 118. Friends, the total value given is to be how much? 1770. Therefore, the ratio of total value upon taxable value is always constant because there is a direct variation. For the total value of toy car rupees 118, the taxable value of the car be rupees 100. Therefore, the total value of the car is 1770, then the taxable value of the car will be rupees X. Therefore, we can write X upon 1770 is equal to 100 upon 118. We will solve this. The taxable value is now 1770 into 100. This 1770 will go right side, it will be multiplied upon 118 as it is equal to 15 into 100, that leads to rupees 1500. GST at 18% on rupees 1500 is 18 upon 100 into 1500, that will be 18 into 15, rupees 270. So CGST will be 270 upon 2, that is rupees 135, and SGST is also half of that, that is rupees 135 only. So friends, the taxable value of the toy car is rupees 1500 and CGST is 135 as well as SGST is 135. So you have to be careful while solving such examples. Read the examples carefully. Tip-Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of the AC supplied is rupees 51,200 with GST. Rate of CGST on the AC is 14%. Then find the following amounts as shown in the tax invoice of the Tip-Top Electronics. First, we have to find out rate of SGST, then rate of GST on AC, taxable value of AC, then total amount of GST, amount of CGST and the amount of SGST. So friends, we will start. Here the rate of CGST is 14% given. So the rate of SGST on AC will be also same, that is rate of CGST which is 14%. First example, first solved. Now second, you have to do the rate of GST. So rate of GST on AC will be the addition of this SGST plus CGST, 14, that is 28%. Third one, let the cost of AC be rupees 100. We have in third, we have taxable value of the AC we have to calculate. So let us consider the cost of the AC be rupees 100 and GST is 28%. So the cost will become this cost plus GST, 100 plus 28, that is 128. But the cost of AC with GST has been given 51,200. Therefore, the ratio of this total value upon taxable value is always constant. Therefore, for the total value of AC rupees 128, the taxable value of the this is 100. Therefore, the total value of AC with rupees 51,200, then the taxable value of this AC will become X. So friends, X upon 51,200 is equal to 100 upon 128. So now we will calculate taxable value will be 51,200 into 100 upon 128. Therefore, 400 into 100, that is 40,000. The amount of GST is equal to cost with GST minus taxable value. So the amount of GST is now 51,200 minus this 40,000, that leads to 11,000 11,200. So the amount of GST will be now half into GST, that is 11,200 upon 2, that is 5,600. At the same time, the amount of SGST will be the amount of CGST, therefore the amount of SGST is rupees 5,600. Friends, let us consider this problem. Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of rupees 40,000. Rate of GST charge was 28%. Find the purchase price of the washing machine. Also find the amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice. Friends, here the printed price of the washing machine is rupees 40,000 and discount is 5%. So discount 5 upon 100 into 40,000, that is rupees 2,000 is the discount. Now actual selling price of the washing machine will be now the 40,000 minus 2,000 discount, that is 38,000. Rupees 38,000 is the taxable value and GST is 28%. Therefore, GST is equal to 28 upon 100 into 38,000. That leads to 28 into 380. Therefore, GST is rupees 10,640. So CGST will be equal to SGST, both are equal, which is half of GST. So CGST, which is SGST, is equal to half into 10,640. Therefore, you are getting the CGST and SGST equal to rupees 5,320. So friends, the purchase price of the washing machine now will become 38,000 plus 10,640, that is 48,640. So friends, what we discussed today is tax invoice, sample examples of tax invoice of goods purchase, sample example of the tax invoice of service provided, and few problems that are based on the above content. I think you understood. You may try for these problems. Aarti Gas Agency supplied LPG cylinder to the customer for a taxable value of rupees 545. GST charged is 5%. What is the amount of CGST and SGST in the tax invoice? What is the total amount paid by the consumer? Find the amount of GST to be paid by Aarti Gas Agency. One more example. Courier service agent charged total rupees 590 to a courier a parcel from Nashik to Nagpur. In the tax invoice table value is rupees 500, on which GST is rupees 45 and SGST is rupees 45. Find the rate of GST charged for this service. And the last one, Srikar bought a laptop with 10% discount on printed price. The printed price of that laptop was rupees 50,000. 18% GST was charged on the discounted price. Find the amount of CGST and SGST. What amount did this Srikar has to pay? Friends, try these problems. Certainly you can solve them. So you should not forget one thing, that a creative man is motivated by the desire to achieve, not by the desire to beat others. So friends, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. With these words, I would like to say thank you.